Hello everyone. Today I want to present you one very interesting idea about trading idea about gold. My name is Borislav, and okay, let's start. So, what we have here in gold are a couple of things which combined together, in my opinion, represent a strong signal. So let's see what happens here. First of all, we had a very strong level of 1480, which was broken down in gold, and it was last week. You see that we are on a daily chart, and the level was broken, and it was broken very strongly, as you can see with the strong candle down, and the gold after that start trading lower and hit the low on 12 12th of this month, and it was around 1450, which is a round number, and the exact low is around 1445. What is interesting is that after this low we have a correction here about 3 days long, and the gold hit nine period moving average, and it stops right at the nine period on daily chart. Also, we are close to the zone of 1480 level, and we formed last week on the last day on Friday we formed a bear candle and inner bar. It's an inner candle, so it's quite interesting. And if of course I opened the short position right on this bar, on this candle here. This is on Friday, and I put the stop above the high. And of course, for this more aggressive entry, but for the correct entry should be below the low of this green candle. This is how you trade the inner bar candle, the inner bar pattern. So the real entry will be below 1460, and the stop will be above 1470, 75 actually. And yeah, as you can see, the gold is trading in this channel here. This is the first dot, second dot, and the third dot. I make the channel like this, and why I make it like this I want to show now, and the projection of this line. So we had first test, we have the second attempt, the third real test. The second test it broke above, then trend around this trend line, and then it broke more. It broke strongly, stronger, and after that it dives to the channel again and start to trade below this trend line here. And as you can see, so if we are very close to the trend line, we are very close to the zone of 1480. We are right at the 9 period moving average on the daily chart, and that's the reason actually for these three reasons I enter the gold short earlier than I should. And let's see what happened now. My risk reward here is, yeah, as we can see, my entry is around 1466. My stop is, let's say, $7. My reward is about 30, I don't know, around 34. So it's a 1 to 6, around 1 to 5, 1 to 6 risk reward ratio, which really worth it. And actually one of the best way to measure how good is one trade is when you find a trade with a good risk reward and with a couple of conjunctions. So that's the idea for this week. I'm expecting it. I'm expecting lower prices until the end of November, because seasonally pattern yeah, seasonality pattern is here, and actually the seasonality in uh, US dollar is strong US dollar on November. So most of the month, most of months of November are strong for USD. So we'll see what will happen. This is my trading idea. As you can see, I trade what I show you guys. So let's see what will happen. That's all for from me. Wish you a great week, and see you next time.